In this video, I will be demonstrating an earthquake drill. I will be also sharing and talking about what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. So first off, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is when two blocks of the earth suddenly slip past one another. The surface where these slip is called the fault or fault plane. The location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. And the location directly above it on the surface of the Earth is called the epicenter. So what to do before an earthquake? First, know the hazards. Familiarize yourself with an earthquake hazard in your area. Second is, know the evacuation area. Check the nearest route going to the set or identified evacuation area. Third is prepare an emergency kit. Make it accessible at all times. This includes your food, medicines, money, or other important things. Fourth one is participate during skills. The drop, cover, and hold. Regularly practice the evacuation procedure. So what to do during an earthquake? In responding to shaking, you must apply the skills that you have practiced before the earthquake. The drop, cover, and hold. Second is stay calm, don't panic, be alert. Watch out for falling objects or debris, glass windows, shields, cabinet, and other heavy things that may cause an injury.
When an earthquake occurs, immediately drop down onto your hands and knees. Cover your head and neck and your entire body if possible, underneath a study table or a desk. Hold on to it until shaking stops. Move to an open space to avoid injury during aftershocks.
So after an earthquake, expect aftershocks. Second, check for the structural damages, fires, or injuries. Third one is be updated. Monitor the situation by listening to the radios or televisions. And the last one, if you see and feel that you are not safe in that certain area, evacuate as soon as the shaking stops. Take the fastest and safest way out.